Hey everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. Aren't you tired of having your earbuds fall off while you're working out? Well, I know I was. But then I found these amazing wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and let me show you why I love these so much. First of all, these earbuds have amazing noise reduction technology. Whenever I'm running outside, the noise reduction really helps me focus on my workout without any distractions. And another thing I love about these is their low power consumption. The battery lasts for hours, which is perfect for those long runs. The earbuds as well are designed with sports in mind. They are completely wireless, which gives you a cord-free and hands-free experience. They fit securely and comfortably thanks to the ergonomic ear hooks that they have. Plus, they have a coating that resists sweat and light rain, which is just ideal for any kind of workout. And speaking of comfort, these earbuds are incredibly comfortable to wear. The ear hook design ensures that they stay in place and they don't cause any discomfort even after wearing them for long periods. Overall, I think these earbuds are a fantastic choice for someone who's looking for quality wireless earbuds, especially if you're into sports and it's something that won't keep falling off while you do your routines. They are comfortable, they have great sound quality, and that is my point of view.